I'm Are we live? I'm about to crash out today. Nothing is going correct. Why the hell is OBS glitching? Like I'm streaming, I'm not clicking anything and it just stops streaming. Hi bro, Krishna the only truth. Hi bro. How many did you solve? What's happening today? Why is everything going against me? Yo, 55 seconds. It's a pure greedy question. It's a pure greedy question. Maximum value. How is it greedy? I can't understand. कुछ points fixed है, not fixed है. Hmm. Not fixed है, हमें उसकी maximum value पता है. Back again, yeah. One, only two. How many you solved? I only two. I solved two. Could you make it to the solution? No, I could not. I could not. And the contest has ended. Contest has ended. Okay. Only do 40-minute 10k rank. हो गया third. Yo, did Kavish actually solve third? I am so incredibly jealous of you. And you solved it while 1 minute was left. I'll be honest, I am very, very jealous. You have to traverse from left to right, then right to left for third question. 2700 rank. Okay, so left to right and right to left. I see that. I see that. Cheating check. Explain second intuition, bro. Second was a fairly straightforward question. No. Okay, what did the second question even ask us? We want to return a subarray out of which the sum of all the distinct values in that subarray is at least k. Else return -1. That costed me a penalty because I didn't return -1. So it's a sliding window solution. L and R equals to 0. You make a frequency array. Okay, you make a frequency array. Now, if a new element is found, you add its sum. Else, and you increase its frequency. Frequency तो हर बारी बढ़ेगी. Okay, that's what frequency is. अगर नया element है तो उसको sum. What am I doing? नया element है तो उसको sum में add करो. This is the condition you had to think about. अगर जो आपका L है उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी ग्रेटर देन 1 है, मतलब वो रिपीटिंग है, तो आप उसे हटा सकते हो बिकॉज इट्स ऑल डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट्स है ना. या फिर सम में से आपने आर एल हटाया तब भी आपकी वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू के आ रही है, तो आप एल को हटा दो. आपने फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ एल जीरो कर दी. अगर फ्रीक्वेंसी ही जीरो हो गई एल की, तो यू सिंपली इरेज इट फ्रॉम योर फ्रीक्वेंसी आर और सम में से वो माइनस कर दोगे, मतलब कि आपकी विंडो में से वो एलिमेंट हट ही गया, और L plus plus कर दो and sum is greater than k, तो yeah, this was the intuition. शैतान got a 5000. भाई कैसे सोच लेते हो यार bro. 6k. शैतान got a 5800 rank. That's generally what I get and he get it today because there's so much cheating. Second was brute force, easy with set. Yeah, with set 13k rank. Mine is probably 10,000. Today my rank might just be 10,000. Should I check it? Should I hover over it? Should we hover over this profile picture? 9,000. It could have been 8,500 if I didn't do that penalty, if I didn't get that penalty of -1. Second was standard sliding window pattern. Exactly. Enter in hub पे चला जाए. Not today because you solved 3 and I solved 2. Enter in hub पे नहीं चला जाएगा. भाई चीटर्स तो इतने हैं, कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा मुझ में कमी है या लोग होशियार है लॉल. See, of course cheating तो बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है, but I feel like I should not give bi-weekly contest from now on. There's just so many cheaters. Entrant hub पे चला जाए bro. This नहीं जाया जाएगा. नहीं जाया जाएगा. Okay, let's leave this for a second. Let me show a very cool feature that I added to my extension. Okay, I think people will like it. Let me just hide my screen for a minute. Okay, and I go here, and here. Right. Okay, Let me show a very cool feature that I just added to my extension. Bro, second question का approach बताना. I just explained it. Just go back 10-15 seconds. भाई थर्ड में वो एक इक्वेशन दिया उसको देखो. आई विल सी द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. मैं अभी थर्ड क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व करूंगा. भाई अब बताओगे भाई. आर्यन ब्रो, व्हाट ईयर आर यू इन? व्हाट ईयर आर यू इन? भाई चैट पर कोई लिंक या सबमिशन कोड नहीं डाल सकता. नो वी कांट. वी कांट. सेकंड क्वेश्चन का अप्रोच प्रिंस गुप्ता मैंने अभी जस्ट एक्सप्लेन करा विद कोड. जस्ट गो बैक 15 सेकंड्स. मेरी स्क्रीन पे देखो चल भी रहा है. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट दिस वेरी कूल फीचर. Let's go a very simple question. Add two integers lead code. Add two integers lead code. Okay, a very simple question. The extension works right now for Leetcode. ना expand कर सकते हैं for other platforms. Right now it's only made in consideration of Leetcode. Of course we can expand it. I clone your repository. The extension was not working. Bro, you didn't have to clone it. Just download Taper Monkey, and then if you cloned it to develop it further, of course. But yeah. Okay. So this is a straightforward and simple question. You guys can see me now, and my desktop audio is there. Now look what happens. I'm running the code. It's all cool. This is a cool like customization to Leetcode. When I click submit, what generally happens? We see a submit tab, right? Now see. Yo, that is cool. People have to say, is that not cool? Is that not cool? And if I submit a wrong answer, let's say if I submit a wrong answer, then look at it. Game over. W. Exactly right. Is that not cool? Is that not cool? That is exactly, bro. And with the sound effects, and I'll be adding more customization. If you're not obsessed with rating, you don't care about cheaters. But Sarthak, the thing is, I'm obsessed about rating. Respect, bro. Gonna install now. Crazy, yeah. And I will be adding in C. As of right now, there is settings you can enable it. Download it from my repository. You go here, you click on this. There's a setting bar that I've added, and then there's this celebration mode. As of right now, there's only GTA, and you also have the sound effects. Okay, I'll be adding in more and more custom like themes. Probably what else can I add? Extension name. Yes, I should be sharing my extension. Buddhist GitHub code lead. Leetcode extension. This is the extension I'm working on. Okay. This is cool, right? Add customization to add our own sound. Yeah, we can do that. Bhai, not America wala lagao. Pankaj. Nah, we're not doing that. Probably it's open source. You can clone it and work on it. Happily gonna become contributor. Thank you, bro, if you actually contribute. But this is cool. Imagine doing Leetcode on full screen. Like after 1000 attempts, you're doing Leetcode on full screen and you hope for a right answer and boom. Yo. This brings so many memory. Volume 2. You can do that. You can add your custom sounds. I'll bring that feature. पंकज इसलिए नहीं हो रहे कॉन्टेस्ट. भाई एक बारी सेटअप दिखा दो. ओ कैसे करना है? ओके या you know what, let me set it up on Edge. You can do it on Chrome or anything. मैंने Chrome पे already कर रखा है. You just go to no, let's do it on Chrome. Bro, I missed contest. Thank God you missed it. Just go to Chrome. Okay, that's how you set my extension. Just go to Chrome. Taper Monkey. You go to Taper Monkey. It's an extension from Chrome Web Store through which you can run my extension because I've not added it to Chrome Web Store. Okay. There in, okay, Taper Monkey has been added. Now you go to my GitHub. Now you go to my GitHub. Okay, user scripts. Now you go to my GitHub. Bro, why is it lagging? In my GitHub, click on this link. Click on this link, and you just have to click install, and then it's going to work. Install. I hope it did install it, right? Let's see if it did install it. Taper Monkey. Let's see dashboard. We have a Leetcode detective script which is running. Now, let's say if I go to my profile, Pudish G. Let's say if I go here. Oh, it's not actually showing. Wait, what? I think we had to turn on some settings. Yo, why is it not working? Why is this not working? Utilities. What? Why is this not working? You made it. Yes, I did made it. Did make it. Taper Monkey. Kavish, we are not going to Entrant Hub today. It is showing that it works. Then why is it not working? Probably, maybe because I'm not logged in. How to Taper Monkey external user scripts. Probably, maybe because I'm not logged in. This should work. Did you vibe code that? Not really. There's not much to vibe code. Of course, I did. Of course, I did use AI help, but I had to understand. I had to understand how was Leetcode returning the responses. I had to understand the Leetcode GraphQL response that they send us. Should we actually go to Entrant Hub, bro? Kavish won't leave us. Bro, open source contribution clay open up. Of course, like it's all open source. Where is I need to pin my message, right? Let me pin my message. Let me pin my message. Okay. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, biweekly contest 174. View details. Rankings. Bro, let's just first find Kavish. What was his name? Kavish. What was his name, bro? Kavish. Yeah, this right. Search. No username. Biweekly contest 174, right? No, not mine first. It's not even showing. It's not even showing yours, bro. Ansh Bahaduria, check it. Okay, let's check Ansh Bahaduria. Let's check Ansh Bahaduria. What? Oh, I'm checking biweekly contest 174. I'm stupid. Entrant Hub. It's contest. It's actually 170. What did I do? Contest and Leetcode starts in 13 days. This is the one which I just gave. Rankings. Let's check Kavish, bro. 3, 2, 1. Okay. There are no ratings update as of yet. Check mine too. You do CF? No, I do not. I can't even do Leetcode, bro. Forget about CF. Umer Khan, bro. The ratings are not out yet. I can't check. Like even if I try to. Kavish, bro. Let's check your submission at this point. Umer Khan. We had Umer Khan, right? Score 7. 124. We don't have ratings as of yet. 32, 48, 7. 7,000 rank. His rating is 1772. There's a maintenance break. Your extension works on Mac? Bro, I'm not really sure. Would it work on Mac? I'm not sure. Do they have Taper Monkey on map? After it develops to a full-fledged product, I'll upload it to Chrome Web Store. As of right now, we have to work with Taper Monkey. Bro, I'm not Bahaduria. Bhadoria. Oh. I'm sorry. It's Bhadoria, right? Bhadoria, okay. Bhadoria. Bhaiya, check mine with your extension, Kavya Kapoor. Okay, let's check Kavya Kapoor. Kavya Kapoor. Let's check Kavya Kapoor. Noob Coder to check mine. Extension is browser based, not OS based. Oh, of course. That makes sense. So it would work on Mac, right? You just need Chrome. We have Kavya Kapoor here, who is willing to test himself that does he cheat or not. His rating is 1540. That's a modest rating. 337 questions solved. That's good. His best rank in the last 5 contests is 6700. If we analyze it, no data. No. Manual typing with 26 tab switches. Nah, that's fair. Biweekly contest 171. In the last contest in 482, it's all manual typing. Bro passes the copy paster test, and you guys can now see that now I'm not putting in the badge of noob kodoru, bro. Chill, yeah, I'll check yours. Chill. Stop this spam exactly. In second question, read problem as it requires a subarray with unique element and sum greater than equal to k. Greater than equals to k. These type of problems make you want to quit Leetcode. 1617 esports in mind code on screen. He's from Ghaziabad. That's a modest rating. I don't think so. You're cheating. He got a rank of 5000 and it's all manual typing with 77 tab switches, but that's okay. Nobody stays on the same tab. Let's also check. Honestly, you've been really consistent, bro. Look at your heat map. It's all manual typing. With just one question, you achieve 7000 rank. Okay, fair enough. What does extension do? It just checks your last 5 contests that are you copy pasting, and on top of that, my extension does this very beautiful feature. Very beautiful feature. Let me show you. Leetcode add 2 nums. This, a very beautiful feature that it does. I just want to submit a question again and again. This is what it does. How many questions you do daily? Right now, not much, bro. Not much. Are the ratings out yet? Why is Entrant Hub not showing the ratings today, bro? Why? Okay, I won't search mine. Let's not keep user at Pudish G. Let's see if the ratings are out. No, they're not out yet. It would take some time, bro. Tier 3 college? Yes, I am from Tier 3 college. Of course. Bro, where you learn all this DSA from? What DSA, bro? I can barely solve. Please, let's solve POTD. If you haven't, I'm struggling in it. You want me to solve POTD? I think we should focus on solving the third question. The third question of the contest. Bro, updated OBS? What do you mean? How to develop the extension on local, like how to see the changes. Okay, if you have already downloaded my extension, that is what I believe you're asking, and you want to see the changes, go to my GitHub and click on my script again. Okay, yeah, let me show you. What you got to do is you got to uninstall the previous version, go to Taper Monkey. This is the previous version, all right. You delete it, and now just go to my GitHub. Go to my GitHub. Put these. Where is my GitHub? Code lead. Okay. Go to my GitHub. Click on this link. Click on this link, and you just gotta click reinstall. It would install it. Now, if I reload it, let's try submitting it now, or let's try reloading it. Yeah, it's back again here. It's back again. That's how you update it. in streaming because you do not install updated version in OBS. Oh, I get it. I get it. How much you solved today? Only two. Only two. I couldn't solve the third question. Profile review. Okay, this is probably the last profile. After this, we'll solve the third question. Alright. This guy wants me to review his profile when all he wanted actually was to flex on me and how miserable I am. What frameworks do you use? A JavaScript, TypeScript. This guy, are you guys seeing this? A 2000 rated guy, 2000 rated guy, okay, with 21 contests. He wants me to review his profile. Dread 19604, bro. Leave some rating for the rest of us. Leave some rating for the rest of us. Can you check my ID with your extension? Okay, let me check Masoom. Masoom 26, 1598. Modest rating. You'll either die a hero or live long enough to see yourself become the villain. What if you're born villain? Bro, you got a 2000 rating? That's a crazy rating. And there was a see, we got our first prey of the day. We found the copy paster. Again, in the updated version, I'm not tagging him as cheater. All I'm telling is that he's doing a large paste, which in 9 out of 10 cases, he copied from GPT. If you want proof, let's go on this sort integers by binary reflection. Let's see the replay. 2916, right? What's your rank here? 2916. I was 6000 in this contest. 2916. It's this question, right? What question was it? Total score of dungeons? Nope. It might just be this one. Bro, you cheated in the first question? Did you cheat in the first question? That's crazy. You did a large paste in the first question. Sort integers by binary reflection. So he did a large paste in the first question. What was his rank again? Why can't we see? Wait. Yo, wait. Why can't we see your replay here? In my extension, it's showing that he did. What? Oh, I think I might have just found a bug. I think I might just have found a bug. Who was this guy? Man, this cheater busting an extension doing my contest already ruined. We can't do anything at this point. Hey, must be some glitch. I don't. Yeah, Masumali, because yeah, this is a glitch. Okay, I think what my extension is doing. Yeah, I just updated the code, right? So my extension is. Yeah, what? Let's check your other contests. This is a glitch. Yeah, I have to work on this now. And I'm also probably not logging out in the console. Yeah, I also commented out all the console. Yo, Brave. Brave is hanging. My computer lagged. Am I live? Am I live? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So I think yeah, we found a bug. This guy, he attained a 2000 rank, and it's showing that you solved the first question with the large pace, where in fact you did not. Okay, I need to work on my extension. I just found a bug. Yeah, I'll work on it. I'll work on it. Check mine, Sharon SC. Okay, let me check yours. This is the last. After this, okay, let's check this guy. Let's check. Learned few things. 1657. Good rating, bro. Consistency, discipline, and genuine hard work are truly important. The Oxford College of Engineering. Are you not from India? What college is that? That's in Karnataka. I thought bro is in London. Okay, never mind. Let's check. He got a 4000 rank. Let's check. He even got a 3000 rank. and it's all real. Manual typing. Yo, salute for not copy pasting. Yeah, it's all manual typing. And he have solved 700 questions. That's crazy, bro. Good work on who's preferable. हेलो भाई, आई एम इन सेकंड ईयर स्टूडेंट, यू गिव मी मोटिवेशन टू। मैं अभी एंगुलर नोड जस्ट कर रहा हूँ, मुझे भी लीड कोड चालू करना है, किधर से करूँ? स्ट्राइवर। ओके, लेट्स डू द, हाउ डू वी डू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन टुडे? कैन समवन टेल मी? आर द रेटिंग्स आउट? No, they are not out. How do we do the third question today? To pass constraint checking. Is there a specific taper monkey setting you're using? I think I am. That is why probably you need to utilities. Yeah, install. That's why it was not running on Chrome. Anonym user script utilities include external script resources, import from URL. I'll check it again. What exact setting I was using, because it was not working on Chrome. Yeah, I think I'll have to check it again. Have you got an idea on Java Spring Boot? No, I do not. I do not know Java Spring Boot. I know Node and all. You must be from CS background. Yes, I'm from CS background. How do I install your extension? I did all step. So it's not working? Yo, Shadow. Okay, I need to work on. It's not showing up despite installing script. What? How to install external user scripts from Taper Monkey? Why is it not working for you guys? Why is it not working? Man, why is my extension not working? Okay, that is a new issue I need to work upon. Okay, I'll probably solve it by the next stream. I'll bring up a better method to install my extension. Yeah, I'm sorry. And in the next stream, I'll be also including custom themes. Yeah, can someone give me ideas on what other themes I can add? Right now, I have GTA in my mind. We can add Minecraft, right? We can add Minecraft. Okay. Dread is telling me how to solve it. In browser, enable the user script and also the developer mode in browser. What developer mode, bro? Developer mode on browser. Developer mode in Chrome. Yeah, turning on extension developer mode. Oh yeah, we gotta do this. Okay, let me do this. Let me do this in Chrome. I installed it in Chrome, right? It was what? In settings, right? We go to settings. Uh, Shortcut Control Shift I. No. Or turning on extension developer mode, toggle in Chrome extensions. Okay, you gotta go to this Chrome extensions. Okay, developer mode. Now the developer mode, load unpacked. Yeah. Okay. Now let's hope it works. Leetcode Pudishi. Still not fucking working. Yo, Athar, help us. What was it? What was it, bro? Is your college helping you in any way? Yeah, I got my placement on campus. Top right developer mode. Yes, I did. I did it develop. Dread. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll be looking at your approach. Just a minute. I'm looking at why is my extension not working. I'll be looking at it. Chat missed plus your extension name. I have pinned my extension name. I've named it as code lead. I have like attached the GitHub lead code, GitHub link. So it's Chrome extension panel, manage extensions, top right developer mode, Taper Monkey manage extension, allow user script. Okay, Taper Monkey में जाओ, ठीक है, डैशबोर्ड में गए, settings में, what did he say? Taper Monkey manage extension, allow user script. Taper Monkey. I myself forgot how did I run it. Manage extension, it's working. Inspect views. Now, okay, maybe I should try to reinstall it now. Click here to install script. Okay, now reinstall this. Reinstall this. Delete the previous one. Delete the previous one. Delete this bullshit. Okay, now if we go here, reinstall this. That's it. Okay, it has been installed, yet it's still not working. Yo, what is happening? Taper Monkey. Yeah, it's not showing that my enabled. Please enable developer mode to allow user script injection. Click here. Manage extension. Oh, okay, so you have to do this. I'm dumb. Manage extension. What did he say? What the fuck am I doing? Taper Monkey, right click, manage extension, allow user script. Yeah, you have to do this. Taper Monkey, right click. What was it? It's this, right? Permission to execute script. Open extension setting by clicking the Taper Monkey icon and selecting the manage extension. Okay, Taper Monkey ko kara. There's no manage extension. Manage extension. Why am I not seeing a manage extension? When I right click, it just shows this. Yeah, I'll work on it. On the icon of Taper Monkey, I'm not in hostel. The three dots besides the pin Taper Monkey. Manage extension. Oh, I see it. I see it. Allow user scripts. This is how you run it. Thank you to Athar who helped me, who helped my dumbass. I probably enabled it on Brave and then I forgot. Then we gotta do this. Now if we reload it, no. Athar, I take my thank you back. Manage extension. No. Manage extension. Allow user scripts. Okay, allow. चल रहा है. Now why is it not working? Leetcode detective. Maybe I should uninstall it. Oh, it's working. Okay, it finally is working. It is working. So I showed you. No, the options below Taper Monkey. Three dots. Yeah, I'm sorry. It working. It takes time. Reload. Restart the browser. It should load now. Yeah, so this is how you install it. This is a pain in the ass. I'll probably, yeah, I need to find a smoother way so that it can reach to you people. Mark the steps and update steps on GitHub. Yes, I will. Okay. Now let's solve the third question. There was who was that? Dread, where is your placement, bro? I'll update it on LinkedIn in a few weeks. Okay, so Dread gave us, how do we do the third question? Just tell me how the UI and logic links with external script so I can contribute. Striver feels a bit too lengthy. Also recommend how much time to pay attention on a question before giving up. Please help me. I feel I'm stuck doing. Also, is Leetcode good? Yeah, I I have probably not focused, not studied much from Striver. I do it from Leetcode. Do Leetcode 150 sheet. That's good. Scroll up. This is way complicated, man, to install. Yeah, I'll find a smoother way, bro. As of right now, I'm not uploading it on Chrome because it takes up some money and also it's not fully developed. I still have quite some bugs. Okay, I'll update the steps. Okay, should I also give a get a police code lead? Should I also give it like how does it work? It's pretty straightforward. You guys can understand it from the code. So there are a few files analysis.ts. This is what it actually is doing. Is it what am I even speaking? Or you know what? I'll make a contributors guide. I'll make a contributors guide. Extension worked on mine too. Good work. And at minimum time I should give before giving up. There's no exact deterministic time I can tell you. It's different for everybody. Just make sure you're learning the patterns. Works fine now, so it's working, right? Try running that try submitting a question and listen to that GTA question. Bro, give me some time to increase rating in CP to 1400. Bro, I myself don't do CP. How can I give you? Okay, now the third question. Scroll up. Where did Dread write? Okay. Like AI initialize limit equals to 0. Then limit I equals to minimum between limit I plus 1. Just approve the PR so I can add docs and some improvements and features. Yes, I will. Did you raise a PR? Did you raise the PR? Install your extension. How to use it on someone's contest? You need to, bro. Are you pleased? Yes, I'm pleased. Yes, I'm pleased. What's your compensation? My compensation. I'll be paying taxes. That's all I can tell you. I'm in my second year, and your channel is a motivation to show up every day. Thank you. Install your extension. How to use it on someone's contest? I'll see. You'll have to go to Chrome and upload. I'll explain the steps in the documentation. I'm sorry. Right now, it wouldn't. Did somebody raise a PR? Also, if somebody is downloading it, I'd be happy if you could star it also. Okay, please star it. Don't forget to hit a like button. Yeah, but you guys can do that. What? Let's come back to the third question now. Let's come back to the third question. So it asked us, bro, can Red again, right? Weber Sharma. Yeah, that's my real name. Yeah, I mean, Entrant Hub is updated. Don't tell me. No, it is not. No, it's not updated yet. About GSOC, yes, I do know, but I am not in any position where to. In which company you got placed? It's a product-based company, bro. I'll update everything in a few weeks on LinkedIn. I'll update everything. Tomorrow for sure a PR is coming. Yes. Yes. And if you guys want to see, let's take a look at today's contest, right? It was this bi-weekly contest 173. We go to the ranking. My rank is what? 8th. My rank is 8,000. Okay, never mind. Let's go to this guy. Struggler CF. 6 contest. Imtiaz. Bro is from Bangladesh. He's Bengali. He did an external paste. He again did an external paste. He again did an external paste. Bruh, there's no use of doing Leetcode again and again. This guy's a cheater. Is he? At least tell interview experience. I will. I absolutely will be. I'll probably make a video. It's just that I want to make sure everything is like fully final before I tell something publicly. Okay, let's focus on the third question right now. I'm yapping too much. This was the third question, okay? So he's telling me we need a two-pass solution. First, remove the modulo and find the constraints of ai plus 1, which will be ai plus 1 less than equals to ai plus difference. So ai plus 1 will be either ai plus difference or Maxwell, depending on restriction. That flew right over my head. Remove the modulo and find the constraints of ai plus 1, which will be ai plus 1 should be less than ai. ठीक है, पिछले में आपने डिफरेंस ऐड करा, वो उससे कम होना चाहिए, वो पिछले प्लस डिफरेंस और मैक्सवेल डिपेंडिंग ऑन रिस्ट्रिक्शन. ठीक है, ओके, आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट. हो गया अपडेट एलसीसीएन? नहीं हुआ ब्रो. कविश इज टू डैम एक्साइटेड टुडे. Why internet hub is taking so much time? Yeah, no clue. Now we need a second pass as well because we will be needing constraint on AI as well. Okay, so you just go left and right. Is that it? Bro, I solved 300 problems, still I was unable to solve second question. Bro, solve pattern wise, then that means your like intuition is not working. I've just joined your stream. What was the time complexity for problem 2? Big O of n. AI will also be less than AI plus 1 plus difference. So you just do the same thing from left to right and right to left. Row extension not showing how many tabs switch. Why is it not showing? It might just be that Leetcode is not sending data. Leetcode might just not be sending data. I'll have to work on it. There are quite a few bugs. What if someone cheats wisely? Of course, they can cheat wisely, bro. At the end of the day, my extension is only telling if somebody is doing an external paste or not. Sanjay Marathi. We have Sanjay Marathi. 1881 with 1100 questions solved. And he's a Virat Kohli fan. I think I've reviewed your profile. Have I not? And at this point, I should ban everybody who is a knight or greater on Leetcode from my stream because I feel jealous. This is crazy. I would have slept and skipped this contest. Fumbled the easy sliding window pattern. That hurts, bro. Sliding window, it was straightforward. You should probably like focus on patterns. From left to right is intuitive. Right to left is done for reinforcing our constraints. Okay, no. I don't want to show my. Let's see if somebody uploaded a video. Leetcode biweekly 172. Leetcode biweekly 172. What is it? 173. Okay, it's 173. Okay, Teja Smart is there, and it's my stream. Wow. 3 by 4 solved. James solved 3. That is crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, okay, nobody has uploaded the solutions yet. Teja is live. Yeah, Teja is live. I see. I'll probably then watch it after I end my stream. I am jealous. About with whom? With whom? C list check. Okay, let's check C list. 167 questions. Bro, what do I check? There's nothing to see on your profile. Like, you haven't even participated in any contest. What do I even check? Return -1. Return 1. Let's submit this. That is a cool effect, bro. You guys can't lie. What second question of binary search? Nah, bro, it was a straightforward, simple uh, sliding window. Do the simple observation and third will be done. Okay, Leon edit, give your intuition. Give your intuition. So you're telling me that I go from left to right. What he told me, first remove the modulo and find the constraints of. What do you mean by remove the modulo? Acha. Of AI plus 1, which will be AI plus 1, should be पिछला plus difference उससे कम ही, either be or Maxwell depending on restriction. अब आप right से left कर रहे हो. Should I try to code this? Should I try to code this or should we just. Oh, how have you done this GDA theme one? I just wrote a simple JavaScript, like it's a simple TypeScript, not JavaScript. It listens to your. Okay, if you guys want to know about the working, what happens is whenever you submit a question, like look at the networks tab. Okay, let's just go to add to integers Leetcode. What it's doing is, yeah, whenever I submit a question, like right now, look at all these. Okay, let me clear this. Now if I submit this, see there's a submit request that is sent, then there are check requests. Now what exactly happens is this submit request returns a submission ID. Okay, now this, where's this check, and then there's a this check call which returns what was the status of your submission. If status was 10, then basically it means it was correct. So I'm just checking the status and then accordingly showcasing the banner. I want to check what does scan show. Okay, on your profile. Sanjay Marathi. Yeah, it's going to be all manual typing, bro. If you're not cheating, you've done 73 contests. Why would you cheat? Like you did 1000. It's all manual typing. Manual typing, bro. It's all manual typing. Umair Khan. You have to download a script of your extension again for the update. Unfortunately, yes, you would. Okay, AI should be less than. Is this GD extension on your GitHub? Yes, bro. Yes. Okay, Dread. What's your extension? Which extension? The one I have penned. I'm making that. You did 3. I'm jealous. Bro, what do we do now? Should I? We are waiting for Entrant Hub, but I feel like I should solve this third one. Is Entrant Hub out? Oh no, it's actually out. Okay, I think Kavish is not in the stream, but let's still check his because he was very adamant. Let's see. Bro's actually getting a +4. Bro is getting a +4. I'm disappointed. Yo, was able to solve question 3. Just drop the video. James, bro, teach me your method. How did you solve question 3? I was absolutely clueless. What's your rank today, James? What's your rank today? What video did you drop? What video did you drop the solution? Videos. Okay. He did drop the solution.
Alright, so we're gonna do.
This is your. Which question is this? Unique elements. Bro, you code in Python? That's crazy. Okay, I'll probably watch this after this. Go near the end, haha. Okay, let's go near the end. Yeah, this is the question, right? Have you included your thought process? Because I'd like to see it. Yeah, okay. So you also took
This one is
a bit
two.
of time, I feel like. So what you did is, let me see your code. What exactly did you do? Why is it all? Let me see the code. What? I can't understand why. Did sliding window. Had to put an external IDE because it was slow enough. Leetcode is slow. Oh yeah, it absolutely is. Yeah, just show how I did it live. Okay. I created restrictions for each index. Yeah, I can understand that. I'll probably let me take a look at your lead code. James Peral SWE. James Peralta. Oh, sorry, it's Peralta. I'm sorry, lead code. Yeah, I visit your profile often. What was your minimum value in a constraint sequence? Okay, the code isn't like extremely complicated. Yeah, I honestly I can't understand it. I'll have to look it up somewhere. James Peralta. Thanks, bro. I created restrictions for each index. Restrictions for each index. Just paste into chat GPT. Oh yeah, we can. And simplify it. मेरा देख ले code. Kavish bro. Okay, even you submitted it. Okay, let me send a question. Just see and then explain the code. I guess yeah, we also need to send the question, right? Or let me just paste the code. What's happening here? Value starting from 0 and increasing by difference I, right? Some indices have restrictions, okay. You want the largest value achievable anywhere without breaking any right? Max allowed value at each index. All rest minimum allowed value at index I if there is no restriction. Okay, all rest basically means restriction. Hmm. It's set to infinity for your input. Okay, I understand that. Propagate restriction backward. If index I plus 1 has a max value, then I cannot be too big. Oh, value of I plus 1. ठीक है. Okay, I understand that. The difference between any two indexes, you take the previous index and you add the difference. Okay. After this step, all rest becomes something like this. Nah, yeah. I'll have to do it on paper at this point. I'll have to do it on paper. I'll have to do it on paper, but this looks like a very like I could not think of it. Then index I cannot be too big. Hmm. Okay. All rest becomes something like this. Oh, I still don't have it fully, but I kind of have. Intuition is you want to maximize the value going from left to right, but don't want to get too large, right? Because it needs to drop back down to restrictions. Oh, makes sense, makes sense. Makes sense. Hmm. Man, your extension is injected in Leetcode, but no button in the bottom. Okay, you need to, bro. What you need to do is click on this and then click on this three dots. Okay, manage extension and turn on allow user scripts. Turn on this feature. Only then my extension will run. Okay, you need to run this and also turn on the developer mode. Turn on developer mode and turn on allow user scripts. Then it would work. Then it would work. Do you have CF extension also? No. Honestly, I just YOLO'd the approach somehow. How many questions have you solved? How many questions have you solved in total? James Peralta. 690 is crazy. And the fact is, he could have been much higher rated if there were no cheaters. Today, what was your rank today? I came up with an intuition and tried it out sometimes. Oh, okay. Okay. Check code secker, please. Okay, I'll check it. I'll check code secker, bro. What what was your guys' rank in today's one, by the way? Glazing? Nah. If okay. I can't even say anything at that point. Ayush Jangid? 1704. Nah, bro. You have a modest rating. I'm pretty 4,000, yeah. 1,000 rank. You got a 1,000 rank. 750 is crazy. Yo. What do we see here? A large paste. A large paste. 750 questions is respectable. But why do you have a large paste? Why do you have a large paste, bro? Should we check your? It is minimum number of operations to have distinct elements. What question is that? Maximum score after binary swaps. Maximum sum. Minimum number of operations. Okay, so that's you cheated in the first question. It is 1608. Not cheated. I wouldn't say cheated, but you did an external paste. I don't know at this point. Code's like a good profile, by the way. Yeah, I realize you need to code an external. Bro, you guys can see it? Oh, okay, 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 okay. Okay, it's not glitched. I thought my stream glitched. Okay, whom should we check today? Check my code, augmented tech. Okay, that's your profile, augmented tech. That's your profile. Oh, okay. Let's check his code. Augmented tech. Yeah, this is like okay. So you went from 0 to the restriction size, index nikala, and then limit of that index is minimum between limit of index. Okay, yeah, and the value which is initially, what is the initial limit? Int max. Okay, now you go from I less than 0, limit I plus 1 equals to minimum between limit I plus difference of I and limit I plus 1, and then you do the same thing. Okay. 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 Are you doing the contest later today? What? Oh, tomorrow. Yeah, we have a contest at 8. For us, it's the next day. I'm from India. It is 8 a.m. in the morning. I actually would be traveling, so I'm not really sure if I would be doing it. And on top of that, to top it off, the performance I had in today's contest, I just want to stop doing lead code. I just want to stop doing lead code. That's Gemini Pro. I got you. That's Gemini Pro. I don't know, bro. Morning 8 a.m. Gotham, bro. I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. I'll see if that feature is possible to implement. As of right now, it's not doing that. Shaitan is going a minus 14. Shaitan. Yeah, Shaitan. Let's search him. A minus 14. Okay, at this point, let's also just search mine. 3, 2, 1. A minus 20. Minus 20. No, minus 20 might be too tough. A minus 15. Yeah, I'll also get a minus 15. Minus 7. Are we serious? 6:30 a.m. for bi-weekly. Oh, so you have to wake up for 6:30 at 6:30 for bi-weekly. 6:30 p.m. for weeklies. Oh, you're in San Francisco, the Silicon Valley. Code Secker. Noob Coderu. Oh, Noob Coderu. Okay, let's check Noob Coderu. Boy, we can't see our rating change. Why? Devansh Dubey. Okay, Ajinkit and plus 50. Plus 50. You might as well throw a party at this point. If you're getting a plus 50 into this contest, Ajinkit is getting a plus 17. Is there anybody else who's getting a negative rating like me? Is there anyone else that I can like feel same about? Dumpy Don. Bro, please only give Mera Dekh Le. Pradeep, I hope you're also getting a negative rating so that I can feel better about myself. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा तेरे को. Dumpy Don is also getting a positive. I need somebody who's getting a negative rating. What was Pradeep lead code? Pradeep lead code. Let's see. Okay. Let's hope. Nah. Where do you see that? Oh yeah, we can search you up. This is Entrant Hub James Peralta. I hope I'm wrong. You're getting a plus 20. James is actually getting a plus 20. So you'll be 1661. 1661. Bro, if I don't solve 3 tomorrow, I'll probably need to rethink. I'm not even giving tomorrow's contest. What about that? Devansh Dubey, check this. Okay, let's check Devansh Dubey. Devansh is also getting plus 5. Please, is there not bad? My goal is to get 2000 by end of year. It's only going to get tougher to increase your rating because so many people are cheating. I mean, of course, I think you can, but it's going to be tough. Okay, life is about ups and downs. As of right now, my life is only about downs and downs. Are we seeing this? This guy is actually getting a plus 63. And he's given me his ID to feel jealous. Galbotrix 69. Okay, let's check Galbotrix. Plus that, is there anybody who's losing rating? I'll actually go crazy. Is there anybody who's losing rating like me? Is there? Took me 5 minutes to do the first question because Leetcode was lagging, Mama. For me, I think I solved the first question after 15 minutes. Like even running the test cases was annoying. Exactly, bro. Solving 15600 rated. That third question is next to impossible, man. Honestly, I just couldn't find intuition. It wasn't difficult to code. I just saw the code. It wasn't difficult to code. Your plugin was there exactly. Why is it giving external copy paste when I cut and paste my own code? No, it would not give you external copy paste for that. It would not. Did I just mess my code up? Bro, did I just mess my code up with the new update that I think I just messed my code. Analysis. It's so for every event. Okay, so it's keeping the not accepted. Okay, and is from inside. Yeah, it won't. It see this line. This line skips the code that is from internal. Leetcode gives us a variable that tells that is your code an internal copy paste or external copy paste. So if it is internal, I'm just returning. So it should not. It should not. What's your Leetcode username? My Leetcode username is my YouTube username plus JI. Let me know when you're ready to do one of my coding interviews. See, you can see I'm not performing well in the bro. I'm okay. Where I can message you. You're on Discord, right? I'll message you on Discord or on LinkedIn. I'm good to go anytime. But I need to prepare because I know I'll get cooked if I don't perform well. Reading the third, I felt like giving up. Yeah. Early to bed saves you from friends' beautiful language. Okay. Okay, I need to do. Hey, can I do an interview with you? Yeah, Dread would like absolute bang the interview. Solve PUTD. What even is the PUTD about? Okay. I need to have dinner, bro. I haven't even had dinner yet. And it's a hard question. I think yeah, I read it. I read this. So in this we have three colors, and every consecutive cell cannot have the same color. So the first cell has three options, second cell has two options, third cell also has two options. Okay, wait. So is this not 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2? Wait, I think I have an approach for this. Is this PNC? Talk to you all later. Gonna go do some code forces. Yo, okay. Bye bye. Good luck. Mommy mom. Exactly. Exactly. Lol. Okay. Bro, hand gloves का link दे दो. This I bought these from my nano. I don't have any link for this. I don't have any link for this. You guys could lip read me what I was saying. रुक जाओ रुक जाओ. Wait, for this one, if we go next galley, bro, I need to close some tabs. How to remove rate limited, install user scripts, this. NX3. So we're getting a grid something like this. Just permutation, right? This is permutation. ये इंटेंट हब पे prediction कैसे देखते हैं ना एक बार. अरे just go to this Leetcode rating predictor. यहाँ जाओ and from here just click on this. Entrant hub ka they have a redirect link for entrant hub. Bro, it's 10:40. I need to end the stream. It's already mine ID. My code forces is James Braltesi, but I only did 4 questions. Have you not given any contest on code forces yet? Did you solve 3 questions today? I did not. I solved only one. Yes, KG. Okay, I need to check his. From here, just go to entrant hub. from your Leetcode rating predictor, just go to Entrant Hub and you can see all the contests. Okay, I think somebody really wants me to see this profile. Yash KG001. It's actually KJ. 1612, that's a modest rating. 350 questions solved. He hasn't been much consistent rating lately, and I feel like he does not do external paste. And I was wrong. He did, in fact, do an external paste. 687 characters. Let's check the previous ones. No, he did not. So he did in only one. In only one. Please, you didn't solve second. I did solve second. What did you mean? Where can I read Leetcode GraphQL API detail? There's no documentation. You'll have to understand it yourself from the responses. Okay, let's focus on this question and then try to end the stream. This one. So for this we have three ways. For this we have two. For this we have two. For this we actually have three. No. For this we have three ways. For this we have that share a vertical or horizontal slice have the same color. This can actually have. Why am I kind of confused here? Why am I kind of confused here? Row wise. Yeah. See. Yo, why can't I zoom out? This has three ways. Then we have two-way and two-way. This row cannot have three ways, right? Because one color is eliminated from here. One color is eliminated from here. This has two ways. And this actually has one way. Because, am I even going on the right track? For first grade, you can do ABC or ABA. ABC and ABA. You're talking about colors, right? Guys, tomorrow morning I'm losing my night badge. Guess what? That is exactly why I'm not reaching night, because I know I'll lose it after I gain it. So why not just never gain it? Give me referral, man. Bro, I've not joined the company yet. So ABC has 6 ways of arrangement, and also ABA has 6 ways of arrangement. Yeah, just for this one, we have 12 ways, right? We have 12 ways because first can be 3 colors, second can be 2 and 2. 3 to 2 is 12. 3 into 2 into 2. This can either be A, B, C. This can only either be B or C if A is selected, or if B is selected then A. Yeah. You've escaped the matrix. Nah, bro, we never escaped the matrix. Not yet. Okay, another ID review. Yeah, let's just end the stream. I don't have any energy to do any more questions. Yo, भाई देख लो आप 8284 क्या देखो ब्रो क्या देखो यार ब्रो 6 सेम हो रहा है सिर्फ डीएसए के नाम पर टाइम वेस्ट ही हुआ है I can my brain is not working right now Krishna bro my brain is not working what do I even say you because I myself am very disappointed with how I performed today. Did the ratings update? No, it did not. End the stream. Yeah, let's end it. Let's end it. Bro, I want placements. Dread, you're 2000 on Leetcode. You're 2000 on Leetcode. Okay. Chill out. Bro, you need rest. Yeah, I absolutely do, I feel like. Okay. One of the worst contests I've ever participated in. I regret every moment today. I regret every moment. Yeah, let's end it. Yeah, Piyush, bro, I'm ending it. Chill. Okay, that's it. Also, another information. You others, okay. Let's just check one last time. What ID do you want me to see? One ID do you want me to see? Lead code AP8284 mastering DSS solving in C++. NID Raipur. 669 questions. Do you want me to check his contests? What do you want me to do? Good profile, by the way. 669 questions. Yeah, it's all manual typing. Okay, all manual typing. Bro, ये speech तो हर week की हो गई है lol. What do I even say? Come back tomorrow. Oh yeah, I just wanted to tell that I would be traveling for 3 days, so I wouldn't be able to attend tomorrow's contest, or at least stream it. I would be in a train, so I would not be able to attend tomorrow's contest. Okay. Every time there's a contest stream, I just say I regret every moment of it. God knows, bro. When will I improve in Leetcode? Chalo, bye, guys. मैं चला dev पे नहीं. Yeah, let's end it. Bye bye. Take care. भाई train से live करो. Nah, bro. I'll actually enjoy my journey rather than doing Leetcode on train. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks to all those who joined. Bye bye.